Rex. Yeah, we could start, and Rex gonna do. He's going to make a pancake. So he's gonna mix first. Yeah, get your 2 cups of pancake mix. That you need to put that sugar. 3 tablespoons of sugar, white sugar. Supposed to be you're gonna do even. So we do. Yeah, that's okay. It's okay. Like that. Baking powder.
How much baking powder?
Remember that it's 2 teaspoons.
Okay.
Not too much. That's a lot of baking powder. Huh? Are you sure it's 2 teaspoons?
Yes, it's 2 teaspoons.
Okay, go. That's it. Yeah, it's perfect. Okay, 2 teaspoons, and then mix this first. Mix that. Actually, he knows how to make a pancake, right, Rex?
Yeah.
He's making his own pancake, but it's a different style. This one, I teach him how the proper one, so that he could. And we're gonna make a lot, so that he could put in a French, right, Rex? So every day, Rex loves pancakes, so every day he could eat, or I don't know. If one's gonna eat, he has a pancake. Right?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna put the milk. Okay, put the milk. Okay, in the center. 1 cup of milk. Yeah. Okay, and then you know how to know the egg?
Yeah.
Okay, put the 2 eggs. Another one. So wow, is that you? And then instead of what do you call that? Instead of oil, we're using 2 tablespoons of butter.
Apa dia?
Just put here, and then mix it. Well, and we have a ready pan here that it's already hot. Then we're gonna use this one for pancakes. Where is it? Never mind. I don't know where is it. We don't need to put water, right? Just use the nice water, just melt. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. Instead of oil, we use
Butter.
butter. But we could put a little of oil so that it will be smooth. A little. Sometimes, yeah, this is a vegetable. Okay. Butter, add a little bit. And then we're gonna move here. We have a pan here. It's already hot. Ay, aswang! Aswang lang. Ayan. So may pan. Dito. Yeah, we need to put vanilla extract. You're right. Just a couple of 2 drops. That's it.
Okay.
Two drops. Go, go, go. Spirit. Another one. Oh, there you go. And mix. So that's gonna be smells. Did you use this already?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Rex got chocolate. Sorry, she's good. Now we're going to put in our pancake. And then, use this to flip the pancake. Okay, that's enough. And then, this is good. So I'm gonna show you the first one and then the second one. You're gonna do it, okay? And prepare the plate. Ay! Prepare the plate. So when I cook this Rex, so that it won't gonna stick in a pan, so I put butter first in a pan. But actually you don't need it, but I don't want gonna still stick in the pan because your pancake it has already butter and oil, so it won't gonna stick. But I want to make it sure that it won't gonna stick still. So I'm gonna make a pancake. Very sticky. I need a spoon, Rex. A small, even small. Very sticky yung pancake namin. Kasi we put baking powder. It's the best pancake. Best. Rex gonna love this. And then Rex, if you want a style pancake, right? You want to have a style pancake. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put syrup. What you're gonna do is you're gonna put syrup. Yes, or anyway, like that for now. Yeah, and later when you're gonna flip it, so it has already chocolate inside. So kind of like that, right? Interesting, huh? I'm gonna make another one because this one is slow. Okay, where's the plate? Here's the nice plate, ano? The presentative plate. If you're gonna do a cooking video, you need to have a white. It's the best. White color plate. So ayan, then stay mo lang yan. Diba? And then you need to wait, then you can flip it. Right? flip. Taran! Ayan siya. Oh, Rex excited na si Rex. Pinaan natin yung stove. Yan mo lang siya. Yan lang siya. Para at least, mayroon ka. Then, gawa tayo ng perfect pancake. Perfect pancake. Ano na to eh? Breakfast. Brunch na to ni Rex. It's a brunch, Rex, right? This is your brunch. Yes. Hopefully, Rex will like it. This is my style. And he has his own style too. Rex is a sneaky one that he cook his meal every midnight. Am I right? Yeah, he is. Look at that. Oh, didn't show. But it's okay. At least it has a chocolate. Okay? So we're gonna do perfect one, the next one. So, wow. Next up. Pancake. Ayan. And we're gonna do the second one. You will see. That smells so good, guys. It really smells so good. What time another one? So medyo laparin natin. Ilapad natin siya. Para sa mga kids yun, it's not gonna be like perfect pancake. Kasi kakainin pa rin yan nila. Diba? Ayan. Ayan siya. And then, gagawa tayo ng circle na yan. Ayan. Oh. Diba? Ang ganda. This is a pancake. Ayan. Gawa tayo another one ulit. Na pang-use next. You like it?
Yeah.
Rex wants more syrup. So, ayan. Pancake niya. Akala ko ikaw magluluto to. Ako naman ito magluluto, anak. Okay. Flip it. Ooh, look at that. 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 The syrup. Ako naman, I love pancake that has a banana rice. So, it comes with a banana. That's perfect for pancake. Yan. Ayan yan. Ayan. So, ganun yan. Then, ayan na siya, guys. Ready na siya. Ready na yan. Super Rex. So, tingnan mo. Ayan na syrup. We could add also a cinnamon sugar if you want a cinnamon. But that one is already perfect. Look at that, Rex. Right, Rex? That's perfect. Okay? Okay, where's your plate? Kinakain na ni Rex eh. Sarap pa na siya. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Say bye, Rex.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks for watching. And thanks, Rex.